Hello guys, this is another train game video. Today I'm playing the train games called the Warehouse Model Railroad. Yep, that's why I'm playing it. And which I'm talking about the train. This is a business train right here. So this is not Officer Special or GO train. It's a business train. This is a Union Pacific, the business train. Yep, this is a business train, the Union Pacific business train. So, yeah, let me stop talking and let's watch the train comes by. Give me a sec. Okay, I'm back. Let me move the camera so you can see. Just turn on the train bell. Crossing is going down. So I'm gonna just leave the train bell on. When it is in another train tracks was came by. I mean, I'm talking about there's another road crossing was right over there. And I don't know what the business train's doing. Trying to stop something? I don't know what is he doing. Okay, train, you're just getting making weird. It always stops like all the times. See, look at that. Look at that. It always stops like all the times. It's getting weird. Okay, let me go on. Let me go to a next railroad crossing. Okay, this needs to keep going, not stopping. Okay, I'm on the next railroad crossing. Now quit it, business train. Don't not get stopped. You have to keep going. Okay, I just turned off the train bell. And I don't need to speed up because I don't want the business train gets messed up or gets derailed. Now I have to use the slow train. Okay guys, this is a likes, comment below. This is a likes, comment, share this video, and subscribe. So keep subscribing my channel because almost I get 100 subscribers, like almost. I only got 4 more subscribers left when I get 100 subscribers. So thanks for watching. Slayers.